I've tried the most popular heavy jump rope on Amazon so you don't have to. So come with me as we see if it's worth your money.
Remember, if you like any of the equipment that you see on this video, you can find them all for purchase down in the links below.
So one by one, we're gonna go through my patent-pending criteria on picking the best jump rope to judge this jump rope.
Now this is the most popular heavy jump rope that I found on Amazon. Now let's see if it's worth all the hype.
First, let's start off with the durability and material that this rope is made of.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
I've had this jump rope for about 4 years now, and I think it looks pretty good. It's pretty durable, and I've used it on all kinds of surfaces, from sand to concrete to asphalt to grass. I've literally used it everywhere, and it doesn't look like it's going to rip up anytime soon.
Might have noticed we're pretty durable.
Even though you'll see some wear and tear, that'll happen with any jump rope. This jump rope has held up very well for it being 4 years, so I'm gonna give it a positive review on durability because it's still usable. It actually looks kind of good for 4 years. So what about it being adjustable? For this rope, it's not adjustable at all.
These are the facts, Frank. We can't change them.
While it does not come with the adjustability factor, purchasing it specifically for your height, especially if you're done growing, can be especially beneficial for you because it's already made it to go for you and you don't have to adjust it. While it's not really customizable, I'm still going to give it a positive grade on adjustability because you can purchase it specifically for your height. Now, as far as speed and weight of the jump rope, this rope goes from 3 pounds all the way up to like 6 pounds, making this jump rope more appealing to you if you're looking for more resistance training. You're basically mimicking something like weight training with this style of jump rope. It being 3 pounds or 6 pounds and you trying to jump with it, this allows you to get a similar workout to doing something like dumbbells, but you're still doing cardio, so it'll be more lean, so you'll be getting lean muscles.
The purpose and skill needed to use this jump rope. Weighted jump ropes like this is what I recommend new jumpers to utilize because it'll help you develop your skills, it'll move slower, and as people have stated in my comment section, it helps keep them jumping because they're not so frustrated that they're tripping over the jump rope all the time. It keeps you jumping. The skill level needed for this jump rope isn't great, so I give it great points for that. The purpose of this type of jump rope is to combine both strength training and cardio all in one activity.
It's kind of an interesting combination.
So if you're looking for a full body exercise that gives you a quick, effective workout, this jump rope is perfect for you. So I'm gonna give it great marks in purpose and skill because it helps you if you're a beginner or you're advanced, and it helps give you a great full body workout. So I've definitely traveled with this jump rope quite often, and I can say there's probably really one problem with it. It's just the size of it. It's not the easiest jump rope to fit in your luggage if you have a lot of stuff.
It's really heavy to drag along.
Now, if you have enough luggage or carry-on you want to carry with you, you can take this jump rope and it won't be all dirty touching your stuff. And sometimes that can create another problem. This jump rope I have is 3 pounds. So you're gonna have to be strong enough to know that you're gonna carry 3 pounds of weight on you at the airport. You're gonna have to carry it after the airport in the taxi. Sometimes it can be a bit much, but I'll tell you what, it'll give you a great workout when you're out of town. If you want to get a quick workout in, it's perfect for that. If you don't have time to go to the gym, you're like, I got 10 minutes to spare. This jump rope is perfect for just that. So it would take a little sacrifice. I'm gonna take a few points off of it for travel and portability, but it gives you such a great workout, you can find space for it. All in all, this jump rope is a great workout tool, and I highly recommend you purchase one if you're trying to get a good workout in. In fact, you can find the links to the one I have down below. Comment and let me know if you're gonna buy one based on this review. Now, after watching this video, if it made you more curious about heavy jump ropes and to know more facts about them, check this video out right here. It'll tell you everything that you need to know about heavy jump ropes. And if you want to see my review of the most popular jump rope, not heavy jump rope, you can check it out right here. And as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.